Welcome to another episode of Traders on Fire, the podcast where you explore the world of trading and ignite your path to financial success. Today, we are tackling a question that's on the mind of many aspiring traders. Is day trading profitable for beginners? It's a topic that sparks a lot of debate, and for good reason. Day trading is often portrayed as fast track to wealth, but the reality can be much more complex. So let's dig in to see if new traders can really make money day trading, or is it more likely to burn a hole in their pocket? Let's dive right in. First, let's start with the basics. What exactly is day trading? Day trading involves buying and selling financial instruments like stocks, forex, or cryptocurrencies within the same trading day. The goal is to capitalize on small price movements to make that profit. Unlike long-term investing, day traders don't hold positions overnight. Instead, they make multiple trades throughout the day, aiming for quick wins. But here's the catch. While the concept is straightforward, the execution is anything but. Day trading requires a deep understanding of market movements, quick decision making, and a solid strategy, and of course, a trading plan. You wouldn't go into any business without a business plan. Why would you go into trading without a trading plan? So, why are so many beginners drawn to day trading? Well, it's easy to see the appeal. The idea of making money quickly from the comfort of your home with just a few clicks is incredibly enticing. Add to that the success stories of traders turning small accounts into substantial profits. And it's no wonder that day trading is often seen as a get-rich-quick scheme. But the truth is, for every success story, there are countless tales of traders losing money. 90%, 96% losing rate, or 96% failure rate when it comes to day traders. Sometimes, very quickly, they lose that money, like they zero their account within a month. Day trading is not guaranteed path to wealth. It's a high-stake activity that can be profitable, but only under the right conditions. Let's address the elephant in the room. How many beginners actually make money day trading? Studies shows that the majority of new day traders end up losing money. According to some estimate, around 90% of day traders lose their capital within the first year. Those are sobering statistics. The reason for these losses are varied, of course. Could be lack of experience, inadequate preparation, emotional trading, and poor risk management are just few factors again that can contribute to the high failure rate. But don't get discouraged just yet. While these numbers are daunting, they also highlight the importance of education, discipline, and proper planning. So what makes day trading so challenging for beginners? What makes day trading so difficult, especially for beginners? One of the biggest challenges is the fast pace of markets. Most people come in and they start trading the tick or the 1 minute or the 2 minute chart. That's way too fast of a move. Prices can move very rapidly and beginners may struggle to keep up. There's also the issue of information overload. Markets are influenced by countless factors, and it's easy for beginner to get overwhelmed by all the data. Then there's that psychological aspect. Day trading can be emotional roller coaster with the potential for both large gains and significant losses within minutes. Managing these emotions like fear, greed, frustration is all crucial, but it's something that many beginners find incredibly difficult. Now let's go to the heart of the matter. Can day trading be profitable for beginners? The short answer is yes, but with a lot of caveats. While it's possible for beginners to make money day trading, it's not easy. Success in day trading requires more than just a basic understanding of the market. It demands well thought out strategy, a really good trading plan, a strict risk management, and the ability to learn from your mistakes. Beginners who are willing to put in the time to educate themselves, develop a strategy, and practice with a demo account or a simulator account before trading real money. Those have a better chance of being profitable because they have the ability to test their strategies before they have their money at risk. But even then, it's important to remember that losses are part of the game. Losses are just the cost of doing business. No trader, no matter how experienced, wins every trade. Impossible. That's why we have something called batting average. What is your batting average at the end of the week, at the end of the month, at the end of the day? With that in mind, let's talk about some tips for beginners who want to try their hand at day trading. Tip number 1, start small. Don't invest money you can't afford to lose. Start with a small account and gradually increase your position size as you gain experience. Tip number 2, educate yourself. Knowledge is power in trading. Take the time to learn about technical analysis, market trends, and different trading strategies. There are plenty of resources available nowadays online, including books, courses, webinars. Just find a trustful resource to learn from. Tip number 3, use a demo account, use a simulated account, use a paper account before risking your real money. Practice your strategy in a demo account. This will allow you to get a feel for the markets and fine-tune your approach, your trading plan without financial risk. Tip number 4, focus on one market. Don't try to trade everything at once. Pick one market, whether stocks, forex, or crypto, and focus on mastering it. Focus on building that trading plan with the right risk parameters and master that market before you move on to the next one. You may not even have to move to the next one. Most stock traders stays with stocks. They don't follow the other things. Tip number 5, keep emotions in check. Emotions are a trader's worst enemy. Develop a routine that helps you stay calm and focused, and don't let fear and greed dictate your decisions. Number 6, stick to your trading strategy. Stick to your trading plan. Once you develop that strategy, stick to it. Don't deviate from the plan based on your gut feeling, rumors, friend advice, news. Stick to it. Tip number 7, manage risk. Manage risk. Always use stop loss orders to protect your capital. If mental stops are too difficult for you to execute, put hard stops. Put that bracket order into the market and let the market take you out if it hits your stop. Do not just sit there waiting and wishing and praying for it to reverse. Never risk more than a small percentage of your account on a single trade. Let's say 1% or 2% on a single trade. Don't have that kind of mentality that one trade can make you rich or one trade can turn you into a broke person and zero your account. That's not professional trading. One of the advantages beginners have today is access to powerful trading tools and technology. From real-time data to automated trading systems, technology nowadays on your phone and your computer can help level up the playing field. But it's important to use these tools wisely. Relying too much on automation can lead to complacency. So make sure you understand the tools that you're using and how they fit into your overall trading strategy. Another useful tool is your trading journal. Oh my God, this is the best part of trading. Keep a record of your trades, including the reason behind them, the triggers, what got you into trade, and the outcome. What's your P&L? This can help you identify patterns and improve your strategy over time. Finally, one of the most important lessons for any day trader, beginner or experienced, is knowing when to walk away. Whether you're stepping away from a screen after a big loss to clear your head, or deciding that day trading isn't for you after all, recognizing when to stop is crucial. Day trading isn't for everyone, that's for sure. And there's no shame in deciding that a different trading style or even long-term investing is better fit for your personality and lifestyle. Do not be scared to step away if it's not for you. So, is day trading profitable for beginners? It can be, but it's not guaranteed. Success in day trading requires time, requires effort, requires the willingness to learn from your mistakes. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a skill that takes time to develop. If you're a beginner considering day trading, make sure you go in with realistic expectations, a solid trading plan, a commitment to continue to learn. Remember, it's a marathon, not a sprint. Thanks for joining me today on Traders on Fire podcast. I hope this episode have given you most valuable insights into the world of day trading. Always keep learning, stay disciplined, and keep those trades on fire.
Thank you for watching. Share this with friends and family, and please subscribe.